You're searching for a professional landscape company. Here's a few reasons why you should choose Scenic View Landscape. First, we're licensed and certified for all your landscape needs. We offer competitive pricing, and best of all, we'll come to you for your free estimate. And remember, when you hire a company, you're inviting them onto your property, so do a little research. Here at Scenic View Landscape, we can take care of your residential needs and commercial needs. Our trucks are recognizable, our techs are professional, and we use cutting-edge technology. So if you're ready for your free estimate, contact us today.